Hey, everyone. Welcome to our live and hope everyone are doing good today. Today is special because I'm not alone. I have got an inspiring guest with me today. So who is really, I admire him. He is my platinum in my team in Indonesia. So this young man, he have successfully run his business, a truly leader in the online business space. So we are going to dig into his story and share valuable lesson, and you don't want to miss it. So hi, I'm Rita. I'm from France. Here, welcome to Harris, and thank you for joining me today. So I will have some question for you. So how are you today, Harris? Yeah.
Hi everyone. Good morning. We always say good morning in Indonesia.
Yes.
I'm fine. I'm good. How are you, Miss Rita?
Oh, I'm super good today. I'm a little bit nervous, talking with my inspired leader from Indonesia. Well, let's begin. So, thank you,
Yeah.
Aris, for joining me today.
Thank
And
you
then,
so much. Thank you so much.
yes, I will have some question for you. So, and before we go further, and maybe our audience out there, they wanna know who you are, and so please introduce yourself to our audience out there. So the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Rita. So, hi everyone. It feels so nice to be here. Yeah, it's actually my first time to be interviewed by my upline. Yeah, especially Coach Rita and of course Coach Lani. Thank you so much for having me on this opportunity. And yeah, let me introduce myself. My name is Haris. I live in Pekanbaru, Indonesia. Yeah, the city called Pekanbaru. And right now, I'm still a college student, actually. So yeah, I'm still 26 years old. Yeah, I'm still young. We all young here in Liverpool. So yeah, actually, that's it. I guess what I should introduce.
Okay, thank you, Aris, for introducing yourself. Wow, he's still young and 26 years old, and then he's already running his business. Anyway, I know Haris is a very commitment person, and he's very responsibility for his business. In this such young age, he's already success doing this. So thank you, Aris. Well, let's begin. I have
Yeah.
four questions for you, and I don't want to go a little bit longer. Without further ado, let's begin. So, first
Yes.
question I would like to ask you. Let's go back to day one. How did your online business really get started? Were you scared or you're super confident?
Okay. We flashback about 1 year ago, I think, when I first start this business in Indonesia, and this is the blessing from God because me and my four brothers, yeah, we all together is the first man to run Live Good in Indonesia. But in the first place, yeah, I'm not really run Live Good actually. Actually, Live Good is my first business I ever run. Yeah, before Live Good, I never run any business. So I never thought that I will be a business person. My plan is after I graduated from college, I'm gonna work somewhere else, like maybe in some government or some company. Yeah, I never thought that I will be run my own business. But yeah, thanks to God, I met my brother. Yeah, he's Dr. Sugeng. Yeah, he's the one that Coach Rita shared about this opportunity first, and then uh, after few months, I guess, after few months, and then I getting curious about Live Good. Like, what is it? What is it about actually? What is Live Good? So I start to learn from my brother, yeah, about the marketing plan, about the company, about the products, and then I decide, okay, maybe I will try this. I should try this. I should do Live Good in Indonesia with my brother because I have a mentor, right? I have a mentor.
Yes.
I have my coach. So yeah, and about 1 year, yeah, about 1 year, I get into a platinum rank. Actually,
Yes.
it's a long journey. Yeah, it's not an easy journey, but yeah, thanks to God, I make it here to platinum rank. So actually, if you ask me if I am scared, well, I'm not that scared because I have my brother. So I have
Just a little bit
someone,
scared.
yeah, a little bit scared because I have someone that I can rely on. Yeah, I have
Yeah.
someone that I can ask what I'm gonna do, what I should learn. So yeah, and my brother, Dr. Sugeng, yeah, he's the first diamond in Indonesia right now. So yeah, I think I'm in the right place. I think I'm in the right way. So I feel blessing to be here.
Wow, wow, wow. Yes, I know your brother. He's very motivated with this one. He's very smart, guys, and all the four brothers are very good. So I'm happy for you guys that you really looking deep into this business, you know. So,
Yeah.
well, for the second question is, what's your favorite part about running an online business, and what drives you crazy?
Okay, my favorite part about online business is I'm an introvert person. Yeah, I don't really like to meet other people. I don't really like to talk to new people before I met Live Good. Yeah, and then I learned something that I never learned before. I do something that I never do before. Like after I join Live Good, there's so much benefit that I get besides financially, of course. Yeah, we get healthy, and then we also can upgrade our soft skill, our personal
Yes.
skill. Yeah, the way
Yeah.
we talk to other people, the public
Right.
speaking. Yeah,
Yeah.
and any knowledge about network marketing. Yeah, I learned so much from Live Good. And the favorite part is because Live Good is an online business, that means we use media social, right? We use a
Yes.
media social since it's online business. So yeah, I love making contents. I love when people comment on my
Right.
contents. I love when people interact with me. Yeah, I never really thought about it, but turns out I love when I can interact with so many people. So yeah,
Yes.
that's what my favorite part. And what makes me crazy is when when your teams got bigger, yeah,
Yeah.
you have more responsible, right?
Exactly. Yes.
You have more work to do when maybe when you just start Live Good, yeah, start from the bottom, just an affiliate, and then you get to bronze rank, and then you get to silver
Yeah.
rank,
Right.
and when you get a platinum, it's a really a different level because there's a
Exactly.
lot of people that you have to coach. Yeah, you have to lead them with many different with many
Right.
different mindset. Yeah, you have
Right.
to work with them, and you have to be patient. I think that's what makes me crazy sometimes because I'm still young, and mostly I think I'm the youngest in Indonesia. Yeah,
I know.
I think I'm the youngest platinum in Indonesia, and since my team is mostly is elder, yeah, maybe around
Yes.
40, 50,
Yeah.
and to be their uplines, to be their coach, it's not an easy thing. So yeah, I still work with that. So I think that's what I'm still working on right now.
All right, Aris. Oh, wow.
Mm.
Guys. You see, this is for the introvert person still can do it. This business. What you have to do here is learning and learning. So
Yeah.
you have to learn something. If you don't learn something, you will get nothing. And I know Harris before he was really he's just a quiet person, and now what the progress he have right now is really surprised me. To
Yeah.
be honest, myself also like that before. I was so scared to speak in front of people, and suddenly I have to push myself, and
Yes,
then
yes.
here we
I know
are.
that feeling. I know that feeling.
You know that feeling. So now
Yes,
we are
I
here.
know that
So
feeling.
yeah. Okay then. So the third question I would like to ask you,
Okay.
if you could travel time back travel, what the first your first business, what advice would you yell at yourself if you could
Okay.
time travel back to your first year of your business, in your business, and then what is
Okay.
your advice?
Okay. If I could travel back the time to about 1 year ago when the first time Coach Rita share about this opportunity to Dr. Sugeng. I wish at that exact moment I run Live Good with in the same line in the same time with Dr. Sugeng, and maybe I could be diamond right now. I could be diamond right now. Yeah. What will I tell to myself if I could go back in time? That maybe I should start earlier, not waiting for months and then I decide to run Live Good. But I should, I hope that I could start earlier, the exact moment when you share about this opportunity, that night. I start learning about Live Good that night. At that time, I start practicing about my communication skill that time. I wish that I could start earlier. I could start sooner. I think that's what I would tell to myself if I can go back in time.
I know. Yeah, me too. So for me, if I can do it also the same as you, once I know about this company, and I would run faster. So,
Yes.
but actually, team in Indonesia they are run faster, but it's okay. Never too late. It's never too late.
It's never too late to start.
And just stop trying to do everything alone. Like me. If you're doing alone, so you just waste your time so much for the time to thinking. Thinking, and then also you have to remind yourself about the progress, and and then after you will get perfection when you do you enjoy your progress.
Yes.
So, well, this the last question that I can give it to you is.
Okay.
What one piece of advice you give to someone just starting the business?
Okay. Advice. Okay. I think I'm not. I think right now I think I'm not the right person to give an advice, but I would give an advice for someone who like me, maybe see Live Good as their first business. Maybe someone who never run any business before, same like me. My advice is you should run your own business. Actually, it's not to be Live Good. It's not to be Live Good. It can be anything else, but you should. It's okay if you're working for other people right now. It's okay if you work for the company or the government. It's okay, but at the end of the time, you're gonna get old. You're gonna get old by the end of the time. So when you get old, you cannot work anymore. Your body cannot work anymore. So what what should I suggest? Since if you're still young, like me, but if you maybe you are on 30s, on your 40s, there's never late. There's no late for everyone to start anything. Especially it's when it's come to your business. So what I should say is you start doing your own business. And if you don't know what you want to do, Live Good is the right place to start. Live Good is the right place to start because it's simple. It's not expensive. Because I'm still a student, I could afford to join Live Good. I could run Live Good. And you could learn so much thing in Live Good. You not just get money in here. You not just get healthy, but you can upgrade yourself. You can upgrade your value. You get so much more than just a money in Live Good. So what I would advise, what advice would I give is you should start running your own business, especially if you don't know what you're gonna do. If you don't have that much money, Live Good is the right place to you. Live Good is the best place to start your own business. I think that's what I want to say to all youngsters in Indonesia, maybe in everywhere in the world. I think that's it.
Yes, I know, Aris. I agree with you because to do the business, the side hustle is a must. You have to have a side hustle. We cannot just depending on what we have today. Okay, no problem that you can have a job right now, no problem. But the side hustle is a must. You just take an action. So let me say hello. We have someone who's watching for us. Hi, Miss Vinya. Thank you for watching. Wah, Sis Lani, thank you for watching. And Miss Mitch Kapati, thank you. Thank you so much. Sis Kali, thank you so much. And yeah. Melody, thank you so much, sis. Okay, everyone watching here, and thank you so much for watching and supporting us. And well, wow, Haris, that was so good what you shared. Thank you so much for sharing your journey with us tonight.
Yes.
And from the nerve and maybe a little fear from the day one, that's is normal, you know. So
Yeah.
to navigating the highs, it's lows of running an online business. Here is a very clear that every step has been a learning experience. So I hope hearing Haris' story gives all of you a little inspiration,
Amen.
a little clarity, and maybe that's a final push you have been waiting, you know, for everyone. So if I could go back in time, I would definitely remind myself to trust the process and stay consistent and stop overthinking even a little more, you know. So and if you are just getting started, maybe my best advice is take action. Don't
Yeah.
wait for everything to be perfect. Just start and learn as you go. And never stop believing that you are go what it takes. So, Haris, thank you again and for joining me in this conversation. Until next time, keep showing up and keep growing and keep going. Thank you, my dear
Yes.
brother, and go Keren Diamond.
Go
Bye-bye.
Crown